welcome back to Subconscious Food. Today I wanted to talk to you about one of the most powerful reprogramming of the subconscious manifestation techniques. It is one of Neville Goddard's techniques, so if you are a Neville fan, you're going to love my adaptation, which is super easy to remember and to apply every single night before you drift off to sleep. If you're new around here, Subconscious Food gives you the tools, techniques and tips you need to empower and liberate yourself to live a happy and fulfilled and abundant life. Okay, let's get straight on to the video. Let's talk about our previous video. We learned that the most powerful time to reprogram the subconscious is when the brain is in a theta brainwave state. Now, we also learned that the first 7 years of our lives we're essentially operating in a state of hypnosis in a theta brainwave state. So it's very likely you would have been program after program that you would have been absorbing in the first 7 years of your life may still be present within your subconscious today and directly affecting your manifestation success. With this in mind, what we're going to do is we are going to use the information we have that a theta brainwave state is the best, and we also know that we are in a theta brainwave state when we are just drifting off to sleep and when we're just waking up, in those two in between periods. Okay, so this technique is going to be super easy for you to apply. I can't wait to hear in the comments below your manifestation success stories. Super easy. It's EBRDR. E for experiences. You're going to go over the experiences that you had in the day that didn't necessarily match your expectation or go as planned. B, breathing. We're going to do diaphragmatic breathing, which is also known as belly breathing. When you breathe in, fill the air up in your stomach, and when you exhale, collapse your stomach as you push out the air. This really calms down your nervous system, really calms down the noise to help you get into that lovely relaxed state that you need to be. If you have got a rose quartz crystal, go ahead and pop that over your heart as you are breathing, and it will just bring in these beautiful love vibes, high frequency vibes to really supercharge your manifestation. Whenever you put your hand on your heart as well, it ensures that your heart's centered, because all of the a lot of the electromagnetic activity goes to the heart, so you're bringing all that energy into your heart center. You're gonna revise. You're gonna think of all the revisions that you would make to make sure that the experiences that you experience match what you wish to happen. D for details. You're gonna fill this manifestation exercise with as many details and feelings as possible. How did it make you feel to have, to be, to experience the things that you did that matched your expectation? How did it make you feel? Were you excited, fulfilled, abundant, happy, content? How did you feel? And keep repeating, repetition, until the first impression of your past event matches your revision. So keep repeating this exercise until you are literally living in the end. You are literally living your life as you would like it to be. To help you guys out, I have included in the first link in the description a free MP3 download to help you reprogram your subconscious to bring in abundance of money, joy, love, happiness, and so much more. Thank you for all your support, for subscribing to my channel, clicking those bell notifications to be notified every time I post a video, liking, commenting, all those amazing manifestation success stories. I can't wait to hear more of them, and I can't wait to hear from all of you. So until next time, namaste, bye.